Assalamu alaikum, brothers. You guys already know today's topic. Today we are doing card to crypto. For card to crypto, there is multiple methods. Today we are going to use Moonpay because Moonpay is very stable method and a good website for buying crypto like Solana, USDC, etc. Most of the time we use Chime and go to bank debit card to buy crypto. Today I'm use a Chime bank and showing you live to buy how to buy crypto from Moonpay. So I'm going to log in my Chime bank account. You can see there is $255. We will use the dollars in one shot. First of all, you need to carefully show that your international transactions is on and your card is not frozen. If your card is frozen, there will be a decline and it will create an issue to buy crypto from Moonpay. So we are going to create a Moonpay account first. That's why we need to buy a IP which is matched by zip code. So I will buy a IP that will match my card zip code. It is very important to add a card in Moonpay. It should match zip code exact. We are going to search exactly match zip code. There will be high ratio success rate if we can exactly match the zip code. So we found zip code not exactly matched but similar. I think not a problem, it should work. You can use 9 proxy, and the important thing is we are using here Explorer browser. You can use Go Login or any others browser. We need Phantom extension. We need to install Phantom extension in Explorer. So it is a Chrome web extension. You can search in Chrome Phantom extension, then copy the link and paste it extension. Chrome here you can paste it and it will be available here. Now create a new profile. You can name anything that. I am going to name it Moonpay tutorial. There is nothing to do. Just you have to set up your proxy here. You can also use your residential proxy or your monthly proxy. There is not a problem. I am using ABC proxy here. You can see my proxy is working, so we will create the profile. Okay, everything okay. The video is going to be long. Please wait and you will learn everything about Moonpay. Okay, our profile is created and our browser is opening. My browser is opened. You can see here Phantom wallet is already showing a pop-up because we previously installed Phantom web extension. You have to create a Phantom wallet first. You can use your email or you can just use secret purse. We are not going to use email. We are using secret purse. You have to take a picture of your secret purse if any problem created in future, so you can able to create your wallet or import your wallet using your secret purse. Then you have to ask a password. You will give a password as you wish. Here is my secret purse. You can see here is my secret purse. You can also import my secret purse to show my transaction. It is real or fake. You can use that. Okay, my wallet is created. Now we are going to create a Moonpay account. That's why we are going to click. We will directly create account and directly purchased. We are not showing individually. We will do it together. So there is $255 available in my account. We will use it all to buy Moonpay. You can give maximum 945 short. That will work fine. You can minimum 10 to 945. That will be not a problem. So here I selected Moonpay. You can see Moonpay is loading. So for your kind information guys, my English is not so good, so please adjust. Okay, it will ask you a email. You can use temp mail here because we will use a Moonpay account once, because we don't have a problem of SSN or anything. We have unlimited. Now make sure when you have create a mail, it should match the card holder or which SSN you're going to use their name. So I'm creating a temp mail and I will use it here. There you can see that my Moonpay account is created and they did not even ask me for my phone number or SSN because the IP is exactly matched with my address. That's why they did not ask me anything. But it won't have every time. They can ask you your phone number or your SSN. Most of the time they will ask your SSN and phone number. But don't worry, if you have SSN, you can create it unlimited time. So now we are going to enter our card number. We are showing this you because I just use this card one time, and the bank also I just use one time, so I don't need that bank after withdrawing the dollar. Here is the my now click add card. So before adding card, I am double checking that my card is not forged and international transaction is active. Now click add card. They will send you a micro transaction between 1. Okay, here Moonpay sent me a transaction. You can check it in your statement. That is 1 point something. I need to check it. You can check it in your transaction. For mine, it is 1.56 and confirm. Then your card will be verified in Moonpay. Now you have to wait because Moonpay send you 1.56 transaction. It is still pending now. You have to create purchase when the pending will be clear. Your 1.56 pending transaction will be cancelled by Moonpay. Then you have to try to purchase. Not try to purchase immediately because it can be a failed transaction or declined by Moonpay or your bank. Let finish 1.56 payment first, then we will make a transaction. So I am going to cut the video here, and after the transaction is settled, I will start recording again. It will not take much time. It can take maximum 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, my transaction is settled now. Now we will purchase 255 and my account balance is also 255. Now we can make purchase smoothly. Hope it will work, inshallah. So click and verifying your card. Okay, now you can be sure that your purchase will be 100% successful because Moonpay is contacting your bank when it will happen. If your bank approve, then purchase will be 100% successful. We can see here. Okay, my purchase is successful. Thanks, your order is confirmed. If I go to my Phantom wallet, you will see my soul. You can see 243. We lost almost $12 because of market velocity, and we take too much time to buy. You have not take any time because you will before create Moonpay, then add card, then immediately purchase. So I just make a tutorial, that's why I take too much time. And we also created Moonpay account immediately. Now you can transfer your Solana from your Binance, Bybit or Bitget account from there. So now that video is over, there is a method you can get your money also back, that called dispute method. If you guys want that method, please comment, and I am going to give you a Telegram channel because I am going to create a community for you guys. There you can find person like you who will make help you, and we will grow you and we will earn money together. So that's it guys. Allah Hafiz.